Welcome to Hookup Baits Fishing. Join me in sharing the stoke of catching while learning how to use the versatile and very effective hookup baits on everything that swims. Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's how we like it.
A hub rig calico. Watched it eat it off that ridge right there. These are bass. See these bigger, brighter dots? Those, you can tell those are bass. Oh, darn, I just screwed everything up.
I'm just gonna spot lock right here.
I was watching my A-rig fall, and I just seen one of those dots shoot out. My A-rig start going sideways. Here's Tom's A-rig coming up. So here's the rig, guys. This is the 4th boat it's been on. 2 kayaks. Finally getting it kind of dialed in. Since the last time I recorded, I put this extension rod on it. So basically you just need a hose clamp, cleat, strap it on there. Put the monitor on the mount, the Yak mount, turn it on. You're good to go. See how good it shows that artificial reef right there. That's looking straight in the head of the boat right now. Actually, it's directly under us. Here's the boat, so it's straight down right now.
Yeah, we're like on the heel of it.
Let's see, where's that other mount? There's 2 of them here.
There's that one and there's one before that.
And there's the edge of the other one. It's 100 feet.
Yeah, the
100 feet
first
that
one
way.
went over, yeah.
You can see the edge of it starting right there.
So actually the current actually, or whatever it is, pulling.
Uh-huh. There's Sandy.
Business. Man, you're all catching on the weed. To get us to where we need to be.
We're here. What's up, buddies?
Leaned over and turned the key off.
Oh, is that what happened?
Yeah. All the Dolphin are like, what the fuck?
Yeah, we were playing with you. What are you doing?
We were all rolling.
God, that guy almost touched the boat. He's a fat one. Let's see that, Cash.
Don't hide.
Nice, nice.
Okay.
On the 3-ounce chovy.
Yep.
Oh, I'm looking the wrong way. Oh, look at the squid came at him.
Oh man.
Oh, I'm bit. God. Oh, god dang. He bumped it.
Fucking rig.
The ice rig. Well, especially with the squid around, it's gonna be even better. I totally missed the pipe. That's why I'm not. It's over here. There's my A-rig going down right there. There's the pipe. And they're doing its little fluttering down thing. Yeah, it's right there. So it's kind of missing the pipe. I'm gonna end up just on the edge of it.
I'm trying to see what direction we're moving right now. Yes. Oh, I gotta go this way.
I lost it right when I got to the bottom. Let's see. Yeah, it's over here. It's almost straight under. It's almost straight under us now. Just went through all that fuzz, and then after I went through that fuzz, I started losing my A-rig, so I stopped watching. And right when I looked at my line, it just took off. He's got the little starfish stuff. This is what he's got. Yeah. Let's see. It's right there. Yeah.
Hey, what do you think happened in reverse right now? Okay.
The A-rig falling right there. Pipe right there. Not a whole lot of fish on the pipe, but there's a couple bright dots it's sinking to. Let's see if they react. See, it looks like a couple fish there, a couple fish there. Oh, he's coming to it. He's coming to it. Oh, that one came up to it. They both swam right at it. They didn't bite it though. Oh, there it goes. Oh. Oh. A couple of small, probably sand bass reacted to it, but they didn't. They didn't get it. With a sand bass, 3-ounce chovy again.
3-ounce like what you've ever made,
dude. Look at Tom go. Look at Tom go.
Total rookie that goes just like jigging in, so whack whack. I'm like, what's going on? Perfect.
Ah, you got doubles. The troops.
We both got 3-ounce choke.
Cash is bigger.
Cash got me big time.
Let's see it, Cash. Nice. Nice. Just haven't put it in the right spot yet. Oh, calicos. Deep water calicos.
Double calicos. Good ones, dude. Heck yeah.
On the 1-ounce midnight, or no, that's 5/8 midnight. And 1.5 ice. Look at his lips.
Oh, that's all freaking jacked up. He's had it. He's part of the sport crowd.
Alright, let's see if I can find those guys on the life scoop.
That's one. That's pretty freaking solid if that's one. You want the net?
Nah. Well, he ate the squid. On the squid. Got nailed.
No, we're not. Running motors on your arm.
Look at the dolphins right there. Oh, they're all dolphins. You a bunch more dolphins right there. Dolphins swimming around the boat, catching a bass. Yeah, they're liking that squid, aren't they? I got a 3-ounce squid if you want to use it. Yeah. There it is. Now I can see it. It went on this side, I can see it. See it right there?
Unfortunately, the fucking boat doesn't want to stay on
Oh,
the side. So.
here he comes. Oh, look, they're all over it. I totally seen him come up off the bottom, put it in gear, jigged it twice, and bam! That was rad.
Him coming up.
There's a whole school of them came up. One at first, and then a few others followed.
Nice.
That one like the 1.5 ice. Yeah, see yours? See it? It's going. Cash got one. Ta-da! 3-ounce mint again.
Average little
Nice. What's Tom doing?
Cartwheels over here. This guy did like a circle. Like a circle when I said that hook. Boy, he ate the old dirty fresh. Tangled up.
Looks like a hefty one.
I bet he saw the boat.
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Hooked him funny.
Oops, he's taking a look at it. Hey, he hit somebody's eye. So bad.
can see that swill.
Swivel?
The seal.
What's he doing?
He's just swimming by. I can see his little flappers on each side too. He's digging. Dang. There he is. Looks like there might be two. It's a good sandy on the ice again. Yeah, he's got a lot of polka dots for a sand bass. Look at his tail. Got a weird tail. Oh, that's a bass. A little more kicky. I just cut sculpin 2 casts in a row. This one feels like the right stuff. On the squid. Get him. You. See who's is bigger, Cash? Watch this. I cast one hand. Ah, you got me. Dang it. Cash's is always bigger.
No. No.
Videotape you, young man. Nice.
Nice little calico.
Good luck.
On the hub A-rig. Which one did he bite?
Got that sucker on green pumpkin.
Ah, of course.
Hey, baby sunfish. That was cool, baby sunfish. Good. On.
What the? Weird.
I got a baby sunfish. There we go. Cool, baby. This one out, dude.
Super bad luck to bring those things in the boat. Alright, this is baby sunfish right now.
This is baby sunfish, huh?
Yeah, it might be.
Yeah. The mama
You probably can't see it. There's a 10 of them sitting right there. Baby sunfishes right on top of the water.
It's pretty interesting stuff on the water, I can honestly say.
Oh, look at there, a double sand bassy. We got 2 sunfish.
Sunfish.
Nice. Man, you're on every cast, kid. Look at that technique.
Some good technique.
The young man puts his leg up to conserve energy.
Only do this unless you're in a white party. Oh, I definitely got that.
Nice. That's a good sandy.
Better Juan. Slightly.
On the pumpkin again.
There you go.
He couldn't, the young man could not hang on to him.
Good one.
wiggly sunfish.
Sunfish bite. Oh my goodness.
Some guy.
Nice.
3 pounder. I freaking saw that.
Did you saw it? Right before I hit the bottom, you see the line do that to it.
Like, no, I'm like, that's a little bit more than bottom.
The hub A-rig's doing work right now. She's catching them like crazy. Ooh, barely got that guy. Oh, you got one of each. Calico sand bass combo. Why hiding them?
Little triple.
Cute. We both got fishies again.
I got a calico.
On the rainbow trout.
Yeah.
Mine ate ice, but that's the only choice they had.
Yeah, right, yeah. Limited choices, yeah.
Get. I think there's a few of them on there.
Nice.
Woohoo! Tom got one too.
Oh, pyrosome's coming out his face.
I got one of each. Brothers from a different mothers. I got one, this one on both ends. There you go.
Nice.
That's why you fish the hub A-rig. Catch multiples. God, he's got like mud coming out of his mouth.
Mud mouth?
Mud mouth. I hit a vein on this one or something. It's in his lip, but he's bleeding.
Well, yeah, that guy was. He's like.
Like all the mud he spit out.
Spit a bunch of sand out. That was the calico?
Yeah, that was a calico. Look at Tom go. Another sandy.
Oh, Covix.
COVID.
Catch caught COVID.
Wuhan.
Alright, let's see if we can watch one bite this. So there's my A-rig going down. Going down into a bunch of fish right now.
Leave it on my benches. Spoke a long time ago.
Let's It's falling through all the thing. When it's that much fish down there, it kind of gets lost.
You're off. Knock, knock.
Where are we at? Right there. See that big old A-rig falling. Oh, here they come. Oh gosh, they're attacking it. Come on.
A-rig just looks like a comet.
Oh. I was getting down into them. They got all excited about it. They bum rushed it, but they didn't bite it. Coming back up through them, right above them now. Let's see if there's any chasers. Oh, we got one following still. Come on. Oh, he just turned and went back down.
Mine?
We're kind of right. You're a little bit ahead of me.
I do that, I burn it and then I kill it. And they'll either smash it or...
I see the area of fish.
Yeah. You can just see them rising and then they're like, nope.
Yeah. He's followed it out of the group and then followed it for a minute and then said, nah. Turn and swim back down. Try a little bit farther out away from the boat. Right there. Right on the edge of the screen. Perfect. That's 60 feet, obviously. So I made a 60-foot cast. Heading down right there. Kind of the outskirts of the where the fish are showing, though. Yeah, right there.
Not today!
I got some fish getting active around it.
Little guy. But I just saw him tug it like violently, dude. I just fucking rip it, you know, I'm gonna let him wait. Don't play me like that, fool. Oh, there it is. That's who it was, old tuggy tug.
Little calico.
Midnight. We got operations.
Oh, here they come. Here they come. Fucking bum rushing it. Oh, oh, oh.
You open your mouth like, huh?
Seen them coming. Little calicos. Oh, it's got a squid. It's got a squid in his mouth. See, I'll get right up close this time. See if we can get it again. There's the A-rig right there. Oh, we got fish on it already. It's hard to look to see if I'm getting bit and watching this at the same time. He swam up to it and swam off. Oh, here he comes. Here he comes, coming in hot. Ah. When you kind of can tell by the speed they're swimming at it. When they see him hauling butt coming at it, you know they're gonna eat it.
Nice one.
I saw you eat it.
You little piggy.
Let's see if Tom found one.
Feel it much. Seaweed?
It's not kicking.
There we go. Came alive. This must be halibut. He must saw the boat.
Must be.
Definitely a halibut. And catch was little anything that pulled drag was it. Anything that pulled drag was a yellowtail till we saw it. Oh. Oh, look. And he curled up my pumpkin. Curled up my pumpkin.
I got a little one. It's fun though. I got him on the crank.
All you can eat salad bar. Saltwater bass.
Ooh, Calico, what a cute guy.
Courageous. Courageous young man.
Is that wood or is it plastic?
I think it's fiberglass.
Fiberglass?
Has a shit on it. That looks like Romax, huh?
Oh, coming in hot. Oh, God. I saw that dude just bum rush it. Oh. Multiple trying to get on it.
There you go.
That's a big one.
I'm clearly picking apart the wreckage.
God, that guy came from the side, just 100 miles an hour.
Wrecked it.
Nah. I got him. I'm bringing him up sideways.
Ooh. Man, you got the helicopter. Woo!
He got 3 hooks in that dude.
Levitated. You got the David Blaine.
Cartwheeled into the thing.
Trouble, so I gave
But
me
now,
David
you know,
Blaine.
I've always wondered, like, how do they attack it like that? But I've always thought
That one just totally came from the side, just
You cartwheel into it.
just hauling butt.
this dude's like a freaking pounder.
By the time I can even get the bell closed, he was just on it. Look at that. Look how deep he ate that too.
Dude, he just
Choked it.
choked it.
He had no doubt he wanted to eat that. I got that. I got it. Get this one out of his.
So now we're in the
Get this one out of his tongue.
There's still just like a little debris field right here. What you got on the graph right there, Cash?
Yeah, yeah, there's debris.
Debris, yeah. He ate the hell out of that dude.
Yeah, he was not getting away. Ah, there we go.
Good right there, dude. Whatever we're getting. Good
Nice
one,
guy.
man.
ice rig is working pretty well today, actually.
Yeah, fucking ice rig. Deportation A-rig. Ice.
Yeah, that was just falling into that group of fish, and all of a sudden I just seen one come from the side. So that was weird. I was watching my A-rig going down, and all of a sudden I seen my A-rig going up.
Yeah.
I'm like, why is my A-rig going up now? I seen it going falling into that fish, and then it just changed directions and started going up instead of down. Well, when it's in that, all those dots, you know, it kind of lose it a little bit in there, or you.
Hard to like keep track of it. Yeah. I wonder what that is. Just like
It's all the perch and bass and bait and kind of creatures living down there. So you see us a lot today throwing the A-rig. Probably half our fish came on A-rigs, half counting double rigs.
Yeah.
So this is the Hookup Baits A-rig. 5/8 on there. 3 big spinners. Now you see us throw these on big spinning rods. Got 8,000 Saragossa, big custom made rod, parabolic bend, lots of guides. Cash had this rod made to mimic this rod.
yeah.
And so that's what you want for your A-rigs, is a big bendy rod with lots of guides on it. You usually got to get them custom made. The guides make a smooth fill when you're reeling in that much weight. So, you know, you got a few ounces plus the spinners. There's a lot of drag. You need a powerful reel, a lot of cranking power. That's why we fish the 8 and 10,000 size reels. And you've seen the technique. You basically, we're going down a pipeline right now, you throw it ahead, and most of your fishing is on the sink. Just like a regular hookup bait, they bite it on the sink. It's the same thing with the A-rig. Hookup baits on an A-rig. They all glide down together, and most of your bites come on the sink. So, and having a spinning reel also makes it easy to cast that much weight out there. So you're fishing the sink, you get it down there right near the bottom, jiggle it a few times, crank it, you can let it fall back to the bottom and crank it back in and recast. So you're doing a lot of casting and retrieving.
Calico. All right. Baby calico.
BB. Did they hear how it would have hit the water? Bloop. That's a little bit better one. It's a spotty. Got my trifecta.
Yeah, I think the spotty with the calico.
Ah! On the quarter sexy. Sexy sardine.
Perfect color for nasty water.
You see how much like he casted like 2 or 3 seconds after me?
Yeah.
And our baits hit the bottom at exactly the same time. So that's how much that sinks, like 2 or 3 seconds faster to hit the bottom.
No, 3/8 bloods, they're my favorite.
There you go. There we go.
That's spotty number 3 for me, guys.
Yeah, we got one for each of us.
Got
How generous of you.
I didn't get to see him eat it on my thing though. That's the biggest one yet.
Oh.
Spotty.
Still not saying much, but hell.
I'm saying that's it. But it's saying something.
But it's a
Damn it.
it's
I
a
just took
spotty.
forever to get this through this f***ing eye, and then it snapped the knot when I tested it.
Not bite on this one.